Minifab 3D, CNC, láser, impresoras 3D. Minifab 3D is dedicated to the development of technology in the state of Morelos, Mexico. With 3 years of experience in the market, the company is positioned in the first place at the national level of manufacturing and sales of 3D printers, CNC cutters, and 100% Mexican laser cutters. Main innovation: Minifab 3D designs and manufactures 3D printers, Mini CNC and Barbo TMX. Mini CNC is for them. Main social impact: development of first world technology, innovation, and research.